Module 5, Lesson 12's objective is to specify the corresponding whole when presented with one equal part. The directions say each shape represents the given unit fraction. Estimate to draw a possible whole. I'm going to underline estimate to draw a possible whole. And I'm even going to highlight the word possible. This reminds me that there are other possibilities that are correct as well. When we estimate, we're giving an approximation, not an exact answer. So when we estimate to draw, we're not going to use a ruler to make sure that the length of the sides of our drawing are the same in each unit. It's going to be a close drawing, something that is very similar to the one given in the original part of the drawing. So let's look at item 1's fraction. The unit fraction says 1/2. The bottom number in the unit fraction is 2. This tells us that the whole has to be a total of 2 equal pieces. They've already given us one of the equal pieces. That means I only need to draw one more equal piece. I'll go ahead and add it to the right side of this drawing. This drawing shows 2 equal pieces now, and the original portion that was drawn for us is the part I'm highlighting in yellow. You do not need to highlight that. That is the unit fraction 1/2. And my portion is the other half. Again, you do not need to label your drawing like that. Item 2. The bottom number in the unit fraction is 6. That means that there are 6 equal pieces. The equal pieces must be the same size and same shape, approximately. So I'm going to estimate to draw the rest of this picture. They've already given me one of the 6. That means I need to draw the rest of the 6 pieces that will be in the possible whole. Now I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The one that they gave me was this one right here. That was the original. And the unit fraction for it was 1/6. The unit fraction for my pieces is also 1/6. This is my set 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, 6/6. Each piece represents 1/6. Now let's look at item 3. The unit fraction that they have given me says 1/3. If I wrote it as a fraction, it would look like this, 1/3. And the bottom number of 1/3 is a 3. That means that there needs to be 3 triangles all together in my whole picture. They have already drawn one for me. I'll draw another. That's 2. That's 3. The original one they drew is right here. That was 1/3 of the whole picture. Here are the two I drew. There's one of the ones I drew and the second one I drew. So there are 3 triangles all together in my whole picture. Each triangle represents 1/3 of the whole picture. Now let's look at item 4. Item 4 says 1/4. If I wrote it as a fraction, it would look like this. There is a 4 on the bottom portion of my fraction. That means there needs to be 4 equal pieces in all in my whole picture. Each piece needs to be the same size and same shape. As you can see, they have drawn a diamond. That diamond is 1/4 of the whole picture. You go ahead and draw the other diamonds. Make sure, though, that when your picture is done, there are only 4 diamonds in all. Make sure the edges are touching as well. Okay, the rest is up to you. Good luck.